morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Range Rover Sport in with us. This being a 4.4 litre V8 version of the Range Rover Sport. It's brand new, it's literally got 3,000 miles on the clock. It looks absolutely mega. So you're probably wondering what we're going to be doing to this Range Rover Sport. We're actually going to be fitting a QuickSilver exhaust to it with the Sound Architects pack. So it'll have a little fob which you can change from loud to quiet, and you can really unlock the sounds of this amazing BMW-based 4.4 litre V8. Super cool car. We'll get some before and after sounds for you as well, just so you can hear the difference if you're considering this system for your own Range Rover. So let's record the before sounds, get it in the workshop, and get this new exhaust fitted. So this install is actually quite straightforward. We'll start by getting the vehicle safely in the air to access the factory exhaust. We then unplug the valves from the OEM back box, the rear hangers are undone and the front clamps are loosened. Now with a second pair of hands, the original exhaust system can be lowered and removed from the vehicle. Now that we've got lots of room at the rear end, the wiring for the Sound Architects valve controller can be routed through one of the factory rubber grommets that are beneath the boot floor, which keeps everything nice and sealed and protected. We then need to transfer the exhaust hangers from the OEM system onto the new QuickSilver exhaust, so this is on the back box and on the front pipes too. When we're installing the new system, we begin at the front sections and we work rearwards, fitting the new back box last. Once everything is all aligned correctly, the clamps can then be tightened down to ensure a good seal with no exhaust leaks. We then connect the valves and route the wiring behind the factory heat shields, and we fit the new exhaust tips. Finally, we can lower the vehicle down, take out some of the boot trim and find the wiring that we poked through earlier. We can now connect this to the Sound Architects control box and tuck it away nice and tidily to complete the installation. So the car is done, the QuickSilver exhaust is fitted. As you can see here, I've got the key fob. So you can see it has the exhaust button and the refine button on it. So we're going to show you some revs with both the valves open and the valve closed. This thing is really cool. So if I come down here, you can see I can literally just press a button and it becomes louder. Or if you're in a quiet neighborhood, maybe you're not trying to wake your neighbors up when you leave for work in the morning, you can close it back down and you're nice and free to drive around as if you never had a really cool exhaust fitted to your car. So I think it's probably time to have some revs. I think you'll agree it sounds absolutely mega, really unlocked the sound of this 4.4 litre V8, which was really missing from the factory. It's also super neat with the Sound Architects pack to be able to make it louder or quieter at complete will. So if you've got a Range Rover Sport or an SV with this 4.4 litre V8 and you want even more sound out of it, get in touch with our team at regalautosport.com and we will be able to hook you up on one of these epic QuickSilver exhaust systems. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.